Welcome to TokensFarm. In this video, we will show you how to participate in an LP farm and earn rewards. Connect your wallet here. Choose from any of the 7 wallets that we support. Here, you can see which blockchain you are connected to. Get this farm's token here. Note, the link will take you to a DEX where you can swap from any token to the token of this project. Click here the token address and its price. Project social links here. The farm's current APY. Note that the APY is dynamic and changes based on the amount of LP tokens that are currently staked in the farm. Here is the duration of the farm and the minimum days you will need to stake your LP tokens in order to earn rewards. You will have until the date mentioned here to stake your LP tokens. After that date, the farm is complete and will no longer give rewards. Note, you can stake even if the staking period is longer than the time left for the farm. Rewards are earned only until the last day of the farm. After connecting your wallet, enter the amount of LP tokens you would like to stake. To get LP tokens, first click here to add liquidity to the pool in the relevant DEX. Here is DEX's pool information for the pair of this farm. If this farm's token was ported using the chainport.io bridge, you will see a sticker like this. Click here for the direct link to port this token. Here are the farm statistics. Current TVL of this farm in US dollars, all-time high TVL of this farm in US dollars. See the farm's contract address here. Total LP tokens currently staked. Total reward tokens locked. Farm end date. Total reward tokens already unlocked by the contract. This graph shows you the LP tokens staked over time. Finally, detailed below is the information for all transactions made on this farm. We embrace transparency. Track the farm stats on this user-friendly UI. After the minimum days have passed, you can withdraw your LP tokens and rewards. Connect your wallet to see your positions. Click the button to withdraw. And approve the transfer on your wallet. The approved pop-up that shows its completion. Check the transaction on the Chain Explorer and confirm that the LP tokens are now in your wallet. Thanks for watching.